Saturated and unsaturated compounds refer to the types of carbon-carbon bonds present in organic molecules. 1. Saturated compounds. These molecules contain only single bonds between carbon atoms. Each carbon atom is bonded to 4 other atoms, typically other carbon atoms or hydrogen atoms. Saturated compounds are often referred to as alkanes because they have the maximum number of hydrogen atoms bonded to each carbon atom. They are saturated with hydrogen. Example: ethane CHCH. 2 unsaturated compounds. These molecules contain 1 or more double or triple bonds between carbon atoms. Unsaturated compounds are further classified into 2 types. Alkenes. These contain at least 1 carbon-carbon double bond. Each carbon atom in a double bond is bonded to 3 other atoms. Example: ethene CH equals CH. Alkynes. These contain at least 1 carbon-carbon triple bond. Each carbon atom in a triple bond is bonded to 2 other atoms. Example: ethyne CHCH. In unsaturated compounds, carbon atoms can form fewer bonds with hydrogen than in saturated compounds, hence the term unsaturated. This allows for the possibility of additional reactions, such as addition reactions, due to the presence of double or triple bonds.